Do you always get tired during your classes? Have a rest during the break. Watch this video to learn how to make board games quickly and easily using available materials. Play without leaving the desk. Are your fingers covered with paint again when your art classes are over? Have they gotten too weak to hold a brush? Let's make a funny portable finger twister. Play and relax. Take a piece of white cardboard and cut out a square of 5 inches by 5 inches. Mark out a grid for color circles. Draw 16 little circles in rows of 4 each. Use a different color for each row. Mark 8 cells on each side of the square. Put color circles in the grid. Dip your thumb in paint and stamp it on the paper. Use 4 colors: red, blue, yellow, and green. Leave an empty cell between each print. When the paint dries, erase the pencil grid. Round the corners of the playing field. Now, make a spinner. Cut out a 4-inch diameter circle. Divide it into 4 sectors. Put 4 colored circles in each and indicate the fingers to be used. Attach a cardboard arrow in the center using a push pin. Tack it into an eraser on the bottom. Now, spin the spinner. I put my middle finger on red. My friend should put her finger on yellow. Then she puts her index finger on blue. And my elbow almost hits her nose. What a serious finger twister fight unfolds on such a tiny playing field. Be careful to keep your fingers safe, though the break has surely been great fun. Playing stunt races is definitely more interesting than listening to wars and battles of the Middle Ages. But our teacher has her own opinion. She sneaks and takes our phones. What's this? The Spanish Inquisition? Miss Smith must have known Joan of Arc. Did she forbid her from having fun either? Okay, we know how to enjoy our free time without phones. Make a mini catapult using available materials. Tie together rulers of 12 inches and 6 inches long using a rubber band. Put an eraser between them. The mini catapult is ready. Launch an eraser as a projectile. Take turns to launch it. Mark the place where the eraser falls. The player whose projectile covers the greatest distance is the winner. My friend manages to launch the eraser the furthest distance. It's near the border of the province. This is an invasion. The awesome catapult could be the envy of Joan of Arc, but Miss Smith's fully alert. She tries to remove traces of the catapult battle because there's no drawing allowed on the desks. Oh yes, we're punished for our military activities. We have to clean the entire battlefield. We should bring the wounded erasers to the hospital. Calculate the losses of the pencil lead, and there should be no marks left on the desk. But we stay positive since we invented a new game. No medieval battle can do without a crossbow. It's easy to make. Use rubber bands to tie 2 pencils together. Fasten the same set at the right angle. Pull a rubber band down between the pencils. It's a bowstring. Put a pencil into a crossbow and release the bowstring. Don't let me down, my arrow. With such a crossbow, no rivals could frighten me. My arrow's always ready to be launched. I wish I could practice a little more. I've lost my aim. Good, we still have a catapult. Wow, we've accidentally hit Miss Smith. Her fortress isn't easy to defeat. Hurry up and hide the weapon. But here's a return round. Watch out! Now it's high time for a basketball game. But where can we get a basket? It's easy. Let's conjure a paper one. Fold A4 paper at an angle. Turn the other corner to the opposite side. Then, fold the paper at the cross point of the diagonals. Make a triangle folding the paper along the creases. Turn the bottom sides to the center. Put the top corners into each other to form a basket. Unfold the sides and put the basket on the desktop. Crumple colored paper to make balls. We throw the balls into the basket in turns. Well, we still have to train our accuracy, but my friend manages to shoot a 3-pointer. Miss Smith likes playing sports games. She tries to pass an over-the-shoulder throw. Come on, Miss Smith! But the wind must have blown off the ball so that the shot misses the target. Never mind, Miss Smith. Our cheerleaders are still on your side. My friend has a funny notebook cover. There's a whole tic-tac-toe playing field on it.